This is the quickest win that you can make when it comes to designing presentations, and that is using one simple trick to improve your slides. Hi, my name is Sander and I'm a Microsoft PowerPoint MVP, and I teach people like you become an expert in PowerPoint. If you want to master slide design and never make a bad slide ever again in your life, I have an entire program about slide design that teaches you all the fundamental tricks you need to know. You can find all of the information in the description below, but now let's have a look at that one key thing that changes everything. Alright, so here we have a very common slide in PowerPoint. Now there's three elements on the slide. We have the title here, we have some supporting text and some bullet points, and then we have an image on the right, a screenshot of a mobile phone application, so a sort of sales application. Now another thing that is really important is that we don't have too much contrast. So you see the brand colors here, they sort of fade in with that white. And also here we can clearly see it, but the details, for example, like this, they become very hard to see. So we want to make sure that we have enough contrast on the slide and on the images that we use. So let's have a look at the redesigned version and sort of how that compares. All right, so here you can see my redesigned version, and the first thing that really stands out is that mockup that we're using. And that is the most important thing. If we use screenshots, you want to use a mockup. If it's for a phone, if it's for a tablet, a desktop, a TV, a billboard, it doesn't matter. If we can show it in a realistic way, we want to do it that way. So here you can see like the details of the phone. It's like a real life phone. You know it's an application, and that just makes it stand out that much more. Now another thing is I've made that entire slide dark. So to have some contrast for the brand color, that light green, so it really stands out. It's a very subtle touch, but I've also added a little bit of gradient behind the object. So there's like this circle in the background that has that light spot in the middle. So this really grabs in the attention, or at least that's supposed to do it. So it really focuses more on that key part, which is the visual. Now on the right side, the text, I've also done a few things. So I've kept all the content the same. What I've done is I've made the title a little bit bolder, and also used that keyword, the sales pipeline. I've used that in the brand color itself, so it really stands out. But also in contrast with that background, we can see the color now stands out more and it comes forward, and that's what we want to achieve. And then I've done a similar thing with the body text, so the same text with the bullet points, but you see how they now stand out more compared to the previous version, and that is what we want to have. We want to have clarity in our slides, we want to have a direction. If you look at this page, you see the first thing you notice is that image, the mockup. Second thing you notice is that keyword, then probably the title, and then the supportive text. So mockups are a really crucial part in leveling up your slides. If you never want to make a bad presentation ever again in your life, you need to learn slide design principles. What I've done is I've made an entire program with all the principles that you need to know to become an expert slide designer, and you'll never make a bad slide again. You'll know exactly how to take your content and turn it into a professional looking slide that has impact and that sticks with your audience. So have a look at my slide design program. You can find the information in the description below.